fresh and new. For in their triumphs I can see the seed of hope that bloomed in me. These lines are a testament to the enduring bond of a teacher and students share. They echo the profound joy and satisfaction a teacher experiences when his students achieve their goals, shine on the horizon of name and fame. But even these lines do not express the pride and joy every heart here at St. Paul is experiencing today, when with immense affection and pride we felicitate and welcome this lovely lady, Rishita Kashiwa, the second runners-up and the winner of Best Ramp Walk at the Miss Rajasthan pageant held at Jaipur this year on 13th July. And her proud parents, Mr. Vishal Kashiwa and Mrs. Reena Kashiwa, to her proud alma mater. A very hearty welcome to all three of you and heartiest congratulations. And of course, congratulations to all of us. Why? Well, this beautiful girl has grown up from a small girl of standard 6th to a wonderful teenager of class 12 and was seen playing, studying, running in these corridors and premises just 2 years ago. Yes, she too has followed all the protocols of the school, that 2 chotis, school uniform socks, shoes, the school code, dress code, and she has proudly worn the school uniform. As she firmly believes, smart people always dress according to the season and the reason. Ever since her childhood, she has dreamt of being a beauty queen and walk the ramp. She too, like every girl, has spent hours in front of the mirror, but has been equally serious about her studies. Yes, she was one of our best students, scoring 89% in class 10 and 82% in class 12, political science being her favorite subject. Besides grooming herself and studies, she loves traveling and showcasing her creativity through painting and craft work. It is this creativity which has inspired her to pursue a career in fashion designing and styling. At present, she is the 3rd year student of the UDI College of the prestigious Karnavati University, Gandhinagar in Gujarat. It is truly a matter of praise that at such a young age, she has many achievements to her credit. She has done modeling shows and ramp walk for cultured brands like Rajshah and Sat Superior, a famous startup of clothing brand. She has been awarded scholarship by Cocoberry, where she will undergo professional training to prepare for national and international pageants. I'm pretty sure in near future, the newspapers and televisions will be flashing Rishita Kashiwa, the Miss India for this year. And pray this be followed by, and the new Miss World is Rishita Kashiwa from India. There is a lot many things about her, but I will wind up with a prayer in my heart that many beautiful feathers be added to your crown, and we proudly welcome and felicitate you again and again.